iDiski Times, now available in stores around the country.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. iDiski Times, .co.za. Orlando Pirates are through to the semi-finals of the MTN8. They dropping a horror story for Sekhukhune, a nightmare really. It was a comedy of errors from Sekhukhune. You would think that they brought their MDC team the way that they were so poor. And Orlando Pirates were so clinical. They were so on top of the game. Well done to Orlando Pirates. So many goals being scored. 2 penalties missed as well, which was crazy from both teams. Tso Vilakazi, our analyst, what did you make of that game, sir?
Mr. Gil, yazi mangikhuluma ukuthi sometimes abantu bangangimameli or mhlawumbe abangizwa. Ngithe mina iParis libheke semi-final. So akekho ngicabangile or wangithathele ekhanda mangithi why, because I knew ukuthi into ezoyenzeka lana hayi zimnyama madoda. By the end of the match ngizonikeza Ndlondlo played very well, Mr. Gil. You know, this season iPirates bavusa lento yakudala. Yeah, combination play.
Happy people.
Hey, Mr. Gil, you know, everything today, the planning, you could see, especially going after 15 minutes, your first half, Bastopela long ball, they started to play. Now you could see started to play combination play, they get to the box, they create chances, they scoring. You know, second half, again, Saling was there, is Ndomazenzegala combination, Ndlondlo. The mistake, is Sekhukhune in that midfield. We get the ball, the Pirates, they capitalize on it. I always say, when the man is down, kick him. That's what Pirates they did. And I like, the goal Ndlondlo, young Chablisa Kakulu, Mr. K, because when he wins the ball in that midfield, Uzanayo, he doesn't stop, goes away, passer, he continue with that run. Of it is something that we don't often see our midfielders doing that, like looking it. And I think it's something that if they can get used to that, we can get more goals. Game and yeah,
it's an incredible week. So sorry to cut you. Four goals midweek, another one now.
Yeah.
It's an incredible week. Within 3 days, the number of goals that Orlando Pirates scored, and also it's the goals that they're scoring is as a result of how they are playing.
Yeah.
Play on the front foot, attack. We can see who are the main characters. Abo Maswanganye, Abo Mufukeng, Lipasa, Abo Ndlondlo. You would wish that if they maintain this consistently throughout the season, then there will be a serious team.
Mr. Nkeo, I always say there's no way a car will move without an engine. I always cry with how do you play a game without a creative midfielder, without the thinker of the team. So you need a thinker. You need somebody that will say, okay, put everything in my shoulders. I'll carry you guys. And that's what Paris did, because now they've got Usaling, Maswanganye, Mufukeng, Ndlondlo here, Ulepas. Now it looks, mabadlala angeke ngisahlala manje ngamatsetse kwana yabona yazi lokuhlala ngathi wenze so sengizo relax manje. I wanna from the previous game na tonight ngiyazwa ninyawo zami nje ukuthi I'm relaxed, so relaxed, nice. Well done to Amabhakaniya. Sekhukhune, yeah man, I thought ukuthi mhlambi la team izofika le ephuma Sekhukhune. So la ifikanga lokuqhubeka bona laba la choose. I don't know what happened to the team. They don't look like the team that really they played the final in Nedbank last season. I don't know what happened. So, but well done to the technical team of Pirates. Well done to the boys. Well done, Ndlondlo. Keep up the good work, boy. Mufukeng, boy, you know, after a long time, I had a big smile tonight, and yeah, well done to the team.
Yeah, so I mean, what do you say to those players of you, Brendan Trutter? To be genuinely honest, what do you say to them? Because I think 3 of those goals, you could say, It's a pass to the left back to Mukho, just a mistake happens. Even the first goal, I mean, if you're getting paid to play football, you should be able to kick a ball that's in front of you. It's on your left foot. Somehow it failed to clear it. I think 3 of those goals were coming from their direct mistakes. What do you say as a Brendan Trotter, or even as the owner looking at this, Uguti, this was a disaster today?
One is that Mr. Nkeo, as good position coach, is that when we attack, we are as good as defending. That's number one. Because I see Uguti, they went to the game with that mind. Uguti, no man, these people we've played with them in the final last season, and I was langa because they got a penalty of which we had a game in our hands. So that means we can still do it. But now one thing that they didn't see is that the Pirates, they came with the serious plan this time around, and you know. As Utruti, I would say, yes, boys, we lost the game in the manner that we gave Pirates the game because we thought we were bigger than Pirates. And the effort that we put in the game, we've put 30%. The Pirates players, they've put 150%. So when you wear those percentages, it tells you that the one who wants more will carry it. And that's what it happens. So we need to go back and work hard. Let's correct our mistakes, and then let's look forward. And yeah, 5. You know what I mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, no, you almost was thinking 5, ne? Oh yeah, all right. No, Mr. K.O.I. amapakani kumnyama manje yonke indawo kumnyama, akukho mnyama ngoba i-load shedding. Kumnyama ngoba amabhakani ashaya 5
after bugs
azimnyama zangamakebhulu zakebhulu umuzi kamasipala zawenziwayo ezimnyama.
There you go. That's Orlando Pirates defeating Sekhukhune in the MTN8. They go on then, like Mamelodi Sundowns did earlier on, to the semi-finals of the MTN8. Will we see round 2 of what we saw last year? We look forward to a draw, of course. We still have Kaizer Chiefs and Cape Town City to play. I think SuperSport United also is playing someone in the MTN8 this weekend as well. It is iDiskiTV, iDiskiTimes, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.